everybody. Our next guest is a celebrity event and wedding planner who's here to share his top wedding trends for 2018. Please welcome back to our home one of our very favorite people, David Tutera.
Welcome, David. Thank you.
So, David, you say that the trend this year is all about the old new Hollywood?
It's the new old Hollywood. But when did it really become old? Or is it now new?
Oh.
But the reality is, it's all about one word only.
Sparkle.
Yes, it's about the sparkle. And everyone loves a little bit of sparkle or a lot. And sometimes people don't want to really reference how much they love it. But I'm going to show you how fabulous sparkle is. Yes,
okay.
of course.
Sparkle's great. Mark likes sparkle. He just pretends he doesn't.
That's not true. I don't like sparkle. I don't enjoy it. We do have some beautiful photos. We want to get into the photos and talk a little bit about this old Hollywood thing that we have. This is some of your work, which goes beyond sparkle. Take a look at these pictures.
Well, this is a little get-together that we had. This is actually my husband and I's wedding that happened a couple months ago
at
here
the
in
Sistine
Hollywood.
Chapel, apparently.
Yeah, it's in Los Angeles. Little understated. And this second one here is a dinner party in another part of the country, and it's just, again, all referencing old Hollywood. And this is a birthday party, one long table that really brought the sparkle to the center of the table, as I'm going to show you here in the middle of our table.
Classic Hollywood. Like, it never goes out of style.
No,
it doesn't. I'm telling you, it is something I wish we all lived and breathed every day in every element of our lives.
Well, you're helping people live and breathe by your beautiful collection,
Thank you.
You brought some of your beautiful collection here, and you've set it up for us on this table. Walk us through this.
Okay, so in the middle of the table, we'll start and work from the middle and go out. The centerpiece is a collection of all different items. It's got the paper flowers. It also has faux flowers, and then it's designed in the center of a rose-colored glass vessel. Now, all the extra sort of embellishments that I like to call jewelry to the table, not just on you, but the jewelry on the centerpiece, and as we move out, is from one of my lines, which is available at Michael's, and it's a fantastic way to add sparkle to your special moment without having to spend too much time.
That lasts forever, doesn't it? I mean, because you don't have to water it.
I mean, this is fake. Take that home with you tonight. This one's here. Take that home with you tonight.
Thank you so much, David.
And that's fake, yes.
This is a paper flower.
And you can make this at home on your own time. So keep it very simple. So can I move to the outside?
Yes, go right. Take us, take us.
So what's really great on trend right now are the terrariums. Terrariums are back on trend for whatever reason, and I love them.
Ken has been doing terrariums
on our fabulous, right?
Yeah.
We love them.
But look what I did. I took loose crystals, which are actually plastic to look like crystal, put them in the center of the terrarium, put one gold succulent, which is basically a fake succulent, which is provided to be in the colors of gold or silver, and just gave it a simple modern twist to the old Hollywood.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Now, the outside of the table, it's all about having information. Your menu card. Now, I have to show you this. This is kind of a cool thing that could be used for anything. See this amazing design?
Yeah.
Like
this is a magnet.
No.
Wait,
and
what?
You're going to do this.
What? Okay.
You simply place this anywhere you'd like. I put it on the menu. Hear the snap? And there you go.
Snap.
You
Look
could
at that.
Put it on your lapel. You could put it anywhere.
It's a fashion accessory that I'm
jewelry.
using. It is. I'm literally telling you, sparkle is jewelry to anything.
That's
and everything.
Fantastic. You could increase the price of the lobster bisque now.
Oh, yeah, lobster stinks, but the sparkle's fabulous.
Beautiful. That's right.
Even right down to the napkin treatment, a little sparkle on the faux flower. This is a wonderful little get-together for some chocolates for a favor to give to someone that's coming to the celebration. It's all about the attention to detail.
But you're also giving attention to
Yes.
people who maybe need some help, and you're doing it with your web series.
Yes, thank
Tell
you
us.
for asking that. And it's all about being able to do things for 3 steps or less. We don't have time. And people planning weddings get very overwhelmed and a little over to the point where they just don't enjoy the process.
Yeah.
So the web series is 20 segments, which takes you from the moment the ring goes on the finger to all the individual details you need to know at a very slow pace, even though it's just quick 4 to 6 minute segments. So it's kind of like, 30 years up here. It's going to be given to you in 4 to 6 segments, 6 minutes. So
and that's about as much as they can handle at once without getting overwhelmed.
It's all I can handle.
I mean,
but it's as much as they can handle.
All right, let's talk about this, because
Speaking of the
sparkle
wedding-
actually begins with the bride.
It does.
So we have all the accessories for the table.
Yes.
But if the bride isn't sparkling, it trickles down. So you've got to have her sparkling first.
Well, as I said, accessories are about jewelry. We put the jewelry to the table, and you said it beautifully. It starts with the bride, and I don't know. We'll just put you as the bride for now. This is a bouquet that comes with just the roses, a faux bouquet, also part of my line. And I added the sparkle, which is very easy to do, 3 steps or less, and then the faux pearls are glued to the handle on the inside. Very sort of old Hollywood with a new twist.
This one
Wonderful.
I
Wait.
adore.
This is just a collection
my
of brooches
I was going
that
to say,
are
is that a
then
hairpiece?
used.
But it's a hand.
Here, you could be my second bride.
Wonderful.
There you
Thank
go.
you. Thank you.
That's your boutonniere.
We'll put it right there.
And of course,
Little
the
overstated.
jewelry.
A little bit.
Yeah.
The jewelry in your bouquet, the jewelry that goes on the bride and the bridesmaids, my shoe collection and jewelry collection all give you a little pop of color and wonderful sparkle from your feet to your head and everything else.
This is
in between.
such
Your
a
shoes
cool
are phenomenal.
idea.
Yeah, because flowers die. You know, you
Yeah.
can dry the bouquet, but this is something, you know, this you could say, wow, look at all these.
Yes.
And you could do
Yeah.
it vintage jewels.
Exactly.
Now, you know, and then of course, when you go back to your room, newlyweds, it would be nice to light a candle. And I have to say, that might be the best smelling
Thank you.
candle.
Let me
Thank
smell.
you.
That's pretty amazing.
Thank you.
Wow.
That is my Love is Love collection, and everyone deserves to feel loved and get married on that special day. And that's all about providing something that they take home as a gift from the wedding.
Sure.
Or a great gift to give to a couple
So
getting married.
there's an estimated 6 million people will get engaged on Valentine's Day.
isn't that
Your
a big
opinion,
number?
pop quiz, what's the best way to have a memorable
Ready?
a proposal?
Okay.
Sure.
I think everyone gets overwhelmed, and everyone knows Valentine's Day is the big day. Keep it simple, keep it fast, keep it easy. Allow there to be a memory that tells a story of who you are as a couple, and don't think that it has to be this over-the-top moment, because it's all about the moment of love and not the moment that's surrounding you.
Sure.
It's true. Oh, David.
Well, for
you're
all
such a
those who are
wonderful
getting
tip.
engaged
you.
on Valentine's Day, good luck. Make it last forever and make it memorable. It's that
true.
simple.
Oh,
You
and
can
send
make
us
it
a
smell
picture.
good too.
You can. You
There
can
you
definitely
go.
make it smell good. For more of David's excellent tips and inspiration, be sure to visit davidtutera.com.
We're coming right back, and Orly, you're up.
Whether you're an experienced sewer or a newbie, I have some serious hacks that are going to change the game. Come on back.